The Kravis Center was originally built in 1992, and much what you see around here wasn't around here at that time. This was really the iconic landmark, the gateway to the city. There's architectural features that are significant here.
It's a project that evolved from our strategic plan, and the idea was we'll try to figure out what we could do to make the experience better. And so that's how we ended up with the new valet garage. It'll be on the east side of the property, a new canopy for the new valet operation, a 6,000 square foot expansion of the lobby, a new ramp to the existing garage up to level 4.
This project is design build, and that's going to be a big time-saving element, obviously not just from a precast standpoint, but from the modular elements.
The design build came about because of the owner's requirements to affect only one performance season. A normal design bid build was going to go through 2 performance schedules. So we suggested to go to a design build, that way we're only impacting them for 1 performance schedule.
Essentially what it does is it gets the job done at least a year sooner. The big driver though is the cost savings of having to spend all that time and energy with the design process.
The real beauty of the design build is we actually got the project handed to us in February, and we were in the ground in May.
It's been a huge benefit doing the design build process and being able to prioritize that with them.
And without the Weitz company working with us and phasing their project, we wouldn't be able to operate. It would really cause a problem and a loss of revenue.
There's a lot of coordination that happened within the model that helped kind of fast track the design process.
So what we did was scan where we're standing and implemented that into the model and as built the existing lobby. That tying into the expansion and moving out 25 feet on that same origin helped us coordinate that new steel structure, the curtain wall tying into the steel, and setting anchor bolts out 25 feet from the radius. And then all the bodies of the element and coordinating MEPs around structure and making sure that there's no clashes there.
Mock-ups are a very valuable tool for everybody involved in the project. That way we can kind of identify any pending construction issues and bring those to the light early instead of trying to deal with them later in the project.
While reviewing the mock-up with the design team, find that the screening panel needed to be coordinated with the precast banding below it, and those dimensions were off. So instead of that, us finding that the first day of the install and after all the precast was fabricated, we found that before it was an issue. Usually some of those details get missed if you're not looking at something in the field.
It's the ability to execute and get things done the right way. And if there's a problem or an issue, it's always corrected. They're very cautious about getting it right the first time, and their concern of the owner satisfaction is quite good. And again, that's why they're here.